Hi, lovies. Good afternoon. I'm at the park with Octavia, and while I'm there, I thought I'd just do a little video telling you guys a little bit about pricing your cakes. I had a conversation with one of my students this morning, just walking through everything with her, things you need to consider when you're pricing up your cakes. This video is going to be in a few different parts. You'll be seeing different backgrounds because, as I said, I'm at the park with my baby girl, okay? Yeah. One of the first things you need to consider when you're discussing the pricing of your cakes, make sure that whatever you charge for the cake, you can cover all the ingredients and supplies that you use for your cakes. I'm talking about your flour, your sugar, your eggs, your oil, your butter, your baking paper, your cake release spray, your food coloring, your baking sheets, every single thing that goes into making that cake. Make sure that your cost covers that, okay? Damn. When pricing up your cakes, do not forget to charge for the packaging that you put the cakes in. Your cake board, your cake boxes, any allergen stickers that you put onto your boxes, any promotional stickers, any ribbon you put around your cake board, everything that goes into presenting your cakes need to be considered in the cost of your cakes. Oh my goodness. Careful. Another very important thing to consider whenever you're pricing up your cakes is your public liability insurance. You see all these companies and clients asking, "Are you insured? Are you insured?" Guess what? The cost for your public liability insurance, it has to be covered some way somehow. So you need to consider that whenever you're pricing up your cakes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are so tall, Apoxy. As my little one is trying to practice her flips, another very important thing that you need to consider whenever you're pricing up your cakes, you need to pay yourself. So you need to have an hourly rate that you pay yourself whenever you are charging for your cakes, all right? So and please, making cakes is a skilled task. And if you're self employed for a reason. You're not self employed to be paying yourself minimum wage, okay? So make sure you're paying yourself more than minimum wage per hour. And as you go along, you decide how much more you want to add to it. Another very important thing not to forget whenever you're pricing up your cakes is your overhead cost. All right. You have to pay water bill, you have to pay electricity, you have to buy washing up liquid and all the other things behind the scene. Any apps that you use, your website fee, anything that you have to use in order for your business to run effectively is considered an overhead cost for the running of your business. So make sure the cost for those things is coming from somewhere. Another very important thing that a lot of people don't talk about, and from having conversations with a lot of my students, don't do that. From having conversations with a lot of my students, I realize a lot of people don't charge a profit, a business profit on their cakes. Guys, profit is what make your business continue going. The profit is where you'll save some money just in case your mixer break, just in case you need a new fridge, you need some new equipment. That's where you'll get the money from to invest into your business, not the money that you charge for your hourly rate. So whenever you price up your cakes, you add a 20, 30, whatever amount of percentage profit you want to add on, you add it on. If you're just starting out and feel as if you're not at the place yet to be charging a big profit, if you even start with 5%, it is something that you're setting aside to invest in your business. As you go ahead, you increase the percentage until you are making good profit so that your business can grow and your business can survive. Okay? Bakers, if I've missed anything out from this, what to include in your cake pricing, drop them down below in the comment section. And my lovely viewers, if you want me to do a more detailed, in depth video for my YouTube channel, just drop a comment and let me know. And again, if you have any cake baking and decorating questions, ask them and I will answer. Until next time, keep on baking.